Who's Mimi?
She's my sister.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 2 sisters and 1 brother.
Where are they?
They're here. This is my sister Mimi, and this is my sister Nini.
Hello?
Hello! And that's my brother Jack.
Hello?
Hello!
How many rooms are there in your house?
8.
8 rooms. That's a big house.
Yes, it's a big mouse house.
A big mouse house. That's nice.
Yes, it is.